if you hold XRP and you're tired of these markets melting down, this is going to be the most important video you watch this entire year. So give me just a minute of your time and pay attention. First, we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart. Now, this is the current cycle that we're in. If we go back to the previous 2021, 2022, you'll notice that Bitcoin formed a very obvious trend line with multiple touch points. And when Bitcoin price finally broke out of that trend line, it came up, almost touched that EMA 200, but it had a violent dump to retest and turn that trend line into support. And then it consolidated for a little while before it started moving back up into the next bull run. Well, here we are in the current cycle, and you'll notice Bitcoin's done the same thing. It's created a very obvious trend line, and we've now broken out. We've come up and retested the EMA 200, and we've had a violent dump to come back down and retest that line as support. This will likely play out like the last cycle, where we bounce off of this, we consolidate for a little while. It's going to be boring, prices are going to be shitty, and then you're going to notice we'll have a slow uptick into the next bull run. But the point here, guys, is while everybody's bitching, complaining, and whining and crying, the institutions are soaking up your tears. The institutions are buying here, the same way that the institutions were buying here. And these violent dumps like this or would get people to stop talking about crypto. This is what gets people to sell. This is what gets people to get out of markets and donate their crypto back to the market so that institutions can buy it up cheaply. And I'm telling you right now, what a blessing to be able to buy here where the institutions are buying. What a blessing to be able to buy here where the institutions are buying. Now, the XRP chart looks a little bit different because we're still in our downward trending channel here. We have not yet broken out into the upside. But XRP a lot of times doesn't get that big pullback and retest the way Bitcoin does. If we go back to previous trend lines, you can see when XRP decides to break out, it breaks out to the upside very quickly. If you have not done it yet, go to my bio. I have a free newsletter called The X, and this is where I'm going to be giving deeper insights into not just XRP, but the broader crypto markets. So it is going to be a free weekly newsletter. All you got to do is sign up. I will not spam you. We're just going to be doing deeper dives into the markets and the charts and what is happening in this space.